Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Another Christmas project today, but it will be for beginners. So if you're new to resin, this is a good way to show your skills off, your new skills, and impress people at Christmas, hopefully. Right, I'm going to be using these moulds, and I'm going to be using J Diction 4-hour mould, just for speed, basically. I suggest beginners shouldn't start on the fast cure resin. They should start on a thinner one. It just makes life a bit more easier for you. But for the video purposes and speed, I will be using 4-hour molds. I'm going to be making gift tags so that when the presents are opened, the gift tags are off, they can be used as decoration after. I'm going to personalise them with my Cricut, and I'm going to be putting some glitter in. So I'll just get the resin mixed up and I'll be right back with you. I just want a small layer, not too much. There we go. We're going to be putting different coloured glitters in. There we go. Leave that clear there. And I'll start off with some silver flakes. You know, the silver leaf. It's not real silver leaf, obviously. That would be quite expensive, wouldn't it? Now, just get some tweezers. Oh, heck, that's in a bunch, isn't it? Coming out in one big lump. Just going to scrape some in. There we go. And if we mix it up in the resin, it'll break up. Give it a jab. I might just pop a bit more resin in there. That should do it. Lovely. I think it still needs a bit. I'm just going to pour that in. See what I mean about the grooves? Everything sticks in it. And we're going to spread that around. Make sure it gets to all the edges. I'm going to put some clear in there. I'm going to be using a micro brush just to get that around the loop. We definitely need that loop with some resin in. And we'll leave that to settle for a little while and move on to the next one. Now, if I've learnt anything from that last one, we need a bit more resin, don't we? So I'm just going to pop a bit extra in here. I'm going to speed you up, give you a bit of music for this. I'll show you everything that I'm using. Right, they're all filled up now, and as you can see, I like to pack the glitter in. Which is fine if you're using a normal epoxy resin. Anyway, they're all filled up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over them with my heat gun. As you can see, they're not filled up quite to the top. As soon as they're cured, I will be back with you for the next stage. Bye for now. Right, I've got some resin mixed up. This is all that was left of that one. And I'm just going to do the next layer. So I'm going to pour it on. And I want to pour enough on to dome it. By that I mean, when you look down, put your head at eye level, there's like a little dome. Just so I don't have to do any trimming up. And I think that's it there. There we go. Right, I'm not going to use alcohol on these to pop the bubbles. I'm going to use my heat gun. I don't want to break the surface tension with alcohol. So I'm going to go over it with my heat gun and sit with it for about 15 minutes. Just make sure I've got all the bubbles out, and then I'll let them cure. Right, they've been on an heat mat. It's been about 5 hours. Let's demold them, eh? They're still slightly soft, but just in case there's any trimming that needs to be done, I'm taking it out now. They come out very nicely in this. That's sweet. I'm not in natural light at the moment. It's quite late on, so you can't really see the name in it, but you will do. I can see it perfectly. On this one, yeah, that needs trimming up, doesn't it? Isn't it cute? The silver one. Oh yeah, lots of trimming up, although they're picking off. And this one I top coated with UV resin because I weren't mixing up just a tiny amount of resin just for this one. That needs trimming up. They're very sweet indeed. Right, I'm just going to get, that's not my deburring tool, a deburring tool, and I'm just going to take, like I say, it's soft. Oh, that's just picking off. And I'm going to go all around the outsides, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've put some ribbon on. They've been deburred. I've filed it a little bit as well with a nail file. You need to, don't know if you can see that from there. Could do with some black card or something. She says, I found some. There we go. They're very pretty, and they're very nice and simple, just to hang on your presents. They don't have to put them on the tree after if they don't want, but it's a nice little keepsake, I think. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll leave some photos after. Wait for the photos please, because I'm going to do them in daylight so you can see them a bit better. And thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. See you next time.